guys, welcome back to your girl Dorrie. What's going on, guys? Guys, I have an unboxing. I have another addition to the kitchen family, guys. Yes, and it is a portable blender, and it's by Blendjet. It is cordless, quiet, and powerful, guys. So stay tuned as I unbox this for you, okay? Alright guys, and as you can see, it's a portable personal blender, and some other features that it has. Here we go. It says it's leak-proof lid with carrying strap, jar with measurement markings. It has a 6-point stainless steel blade. It's rechargeable, so it has a rechargeable base with turbojet technology, and it has a single button operation which powers the blend, and it has pulse and lock modes. And guys, it's USB-C. It has a USB-C charging port. All right, so let me see if I missed anything else. Portable, powerful, USB rechargeable, and self-cleaning, whatever that means. But you just add water, soap, and blend. Rinse if you're ready to go. See, guys? There it is again. All right, so let's go ahead and open. Alright, so the first thing I see is the USB cards. So it actually looks like there's two. See if I get so excited. It is two, wow. Sorry for the noise, guys. My double wrap. So we have a clear glass. Oh Lord, hold on. There we go. So we have a clear top. You see the size, guys? And then the black bottom. So there's actually two. Wow, that's awesome. And we have a teal bottom or coral bottom one. So guys, I got two for the price of one. Woo! Caught in time. Almost dropped it, guys. So here's the second one. Oh, there's a power button. All right. Can you, oh yeah. And you take it off. And here is where you charge. So let me grab the USB. Again, there's two. So right here, stick that in there, and then you'll just have the adapter and you plug it in to charge it up. All right guys, stay tuned. I'll be testing this. I'm gonna make me a smoothie. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my bottle out. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients that I'll be using to make my smoothie. I have strawberries, I have a banana, I have a tub of yogurt, and that has strawberries and bananas in there as well. And I will be adding some milk. All right guys, so stay tuned. I will go ahead and wash my strawberries. All right, time to wash my strawberries. All right, and just time to clean them up, take the leaves off. And just slice them up. Come, let's make a smoothie, guys. Strawberry banana it is, with some yogurt and milk. One more. I have my banana. Okay, there it is. All right guys, so I'm gonna get my bottle ready. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is put my yogurt in. We're scooping. Yum. So there. Now I will go ahead and add my milk. There. And now my fruits. Oops. So there we have it. Looks good already, right guys? And I'm gonna put my bottom on now. All right guys, so moment of truth. Time to push that button, time to blend it up and see how it works. I hope there's enough charge on there because I didn't charge it up guys, so here goes. All right guys, so all blended. So I'm gonna go ahead and test the consistency and see how well it worked guys. So here it is, and look at that, creamy smooth. See that guys? All right, stick and stay. All right, so let's taste it. Nice. Wow. Again, this is worth the money, and it's nice because it's portable, so you can have it on the go. You can bring it anywhere. You can take it to work, you can bring it to the gym. All right guys, I definitely give this 2 thumbs up for the price and everything. You get 2, so I will definitely give 1 to my niece. She will really love that. Okay guys, thank you so much for always tuning in with your girl Dorrie. All right, until next time, bye.